So these are for you.
Oh, going right first, huh?
Oh my gosh!
Dude.
Get the... Whoa.
You notice it?
A Black Panther arm.
That is awesome. Wakanda forever, baby.
You're the first person to get the Black Panther covers, Chase.
Dude,
So
that is awesome.
we need to know what you think.
I love it.
Check it out.
Considering that Black Panther is one of my favorite superheroes.
Matches your hair really nicely.
You know, so funny. This is like, honestly, one of Chase's limited superheroes that he's like super stoked about.
There is actually another surprise. So it's really good to hear that you're a super fan of Black Panther. So in this box here,
All right.
are you ready for the big surprise? So this surprise is from the lovely team at Disney. So you know we work with Disney. They help us to design the arms. So the people who create the Black Panther movie helped us create those arms.
Wow.
And they heard about you and they wanted to give you a special gift. Have a look. Ready?
Yeah!
How are you? Look at your nails. That is beautiful.
That's incredible! Dude, that looks so awesome. Wow!
We're not making it, bro.
Oh, man.
All in 24/7.
That's so dope.